The last three Mohicans, the last of the Mohicans. There you get the last three pups here. Out exploring. Got Godzilla. He's about 100, well, he's about 70 pounds, I'd say. Just the way he walks, you can tell he's going to be a big boy. You got Sansa. She's kind of big size. And you have girl Debo. A nice size. They got a nice little attitude, you know. So yeah, I appreciate everybody that came through, got a dog. You know, welcome to the family. You know, for those who who hesitated and didn't get a dog, that's cool too. You see how big these dogs are right now. And they just gonna get bigger. Got a little skin issues right now, but I'm gonna clear that up. It must have just happened this week. Flies been biting kind of hard, and I ran out of fly spray. So they probably got a little bit of irritated skin from getting bit. As you can see, they got a lot of energy. Not like over rambunctious or anything, but they just got enough energy to explore. And I'm telling you, as you can see, Godzilla is probably about 70 pounds right now. He's bigger than Debo. Taller and bigger. His father's Bishop. So, yeah. Bishop and Goldie. And this is Debo and Snow's pup. Just put him on the Victor, so you know, we gotta do that. We gotta put some size on because of that. And we just gotta put some stuff on them to clear those little spots up. A lot of things like to affect puppies when they're small. Nice girthy boy. Big boy. I can only imagine how big Dragonite was. I think they call him Bluey now, or Blue. They're just happy to be out. Yeah, well, got a whole full day ahead of me. Looks like they done ate some stuff they wasn't supposed to eat. We're supposed to take them down to the harbor, but I don't think I'm gonna be doing that. So I might have just probably put them back in the yard and continue on about my day. It's an imaginary day as a dog breeder. Thick boned it up dogs. Eating grass. Come on, Debo. Just like her dad, the same thing he does. Come on. Look at him, he getting his run on. He runs like gallops like a horse. You can tell he's got a lot of weight that he's carrying. This is a big boy right here now. This is a big boy, 5 months old. Actually, he turned 6 months old today, so let's say he's 6. So he's about halfway done growing. I'd say he's about 70. He's bigger than Debo, so he's bigger than his mom, or close to her size, and she's about 70 pounds right now. So I'm expecting this guy to be about 80 pounds before the month ends. But that's the best thing about my dogs, you know. You can see how they move. And this is probably the first time they've been outside in, I don't know, a couple of months. Probably not a couple of months, but at least a month. But yet they can still run and move. And it's good to be able to see what your dogs can do and how they perform outside. You know, a lot of dogs are not bred for agility. They're just bred for looks only. And these dogs are bred for looks. Don't get me wrong. These dogs are gonna be big and full of muscles. They're gonna be big and full of muscles. Got the nice little chocolate. So somebody's gonna be very happy when they get these dogs, these last couple. Hopefully they'll be gone soon. But if not, they can sit here for a while. Try to bring them out so they can use the bathroom, but apparently they don't need to use the bathroom. So I guess we're on our way out. I'll try to get y'all some more footage. So as you can tell, look, this guy's 5 months, well, he just turned 6. And I'm assuming that this is an 8-month-old puppy right here. Because these guys are 2 months older than those guys. All right, guys, let's go.